Hello guys, today I will use a 2mm thread and a 2-stitch crochet needle, 5mm. Let's start by making the magic ring. And in the sequence, I will put 6 single crochet here inside the ring. Close the ring. Now let's insert the needle into the first point. And here I will work on 2 single crochet. We will put a dot marker in this first single crochet. Now we will keep making 2 single crochet for every point on the base until the end. After doing this, with dowel or marker, I insert the needle into this point where the marker was and make a single crochet. I mark this first point. Then on the next work point 2, single crochet. 1 increase. We will continue making 1 single crochet. An increase all around until we reach the marker. For the next round, I will remove the marker and make a single crochet here. Then place the marker at this point. In the next point, work 1 increase. 2 points at the same point as the base. In the next work point 1, single crochet only. We will continue with this sequence all the way around, making 1 single crochet. 1 increase, 1 single crochet by 6 times. For the next round, with dowel or marker, and here at the beginning of this lap, I will work 3 single crochet, being 1 point to each point on the base. After making the 3rd single crochet, come back to the first point and puts the marker to position the first point. At the next point, we will make 1 increase. We will continue with this sequence, making 3 single crochet, 1 a boost all around. For the next lap, we will start by removing the marker. I make 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. After making the 2nd single crochet, come back first, putting the marker to identify the first point of the turn. At the next point, work an increase, 2 points at the same point. I keep making 2 single crochet, and this will be the sequence that we will repeat all around. 2 points, an increase, 2 points. After finishing the round, remove the marker, and in this career, we will start by making 5 single crochet. 1 point for each point. After making the 5th point, let's go back to the first point we made. And let's put the marker. At the next point, we will work 1 increase. Now we will make 5 points. A raise all around. After finishing this round with 5 points, an increase, remove the marker. Here at the beginning, we will make 3 single crochet. 1 point for each point. I mark this first point. I keep doing the second and third point. At the next point, we will do an increase. After making the raise, work 3 single crochet. 1 point for each point. I keep doing 3 single crochet. An increase, then 3 single crochet. I do this all around. On the next lap, let's start by removing the marker. And let's do 7 points, 1 at the moment, all around. So I finished my piece, making 7 points, an increase 6 times all around. For the next round, I will start by making 1 single crochet. Here on this first point, if you want, you can mark this single crochet. After making this point, I will work 7 chains. Bow tail 1, 2. In the third current, I insert the needle and work a double crochet. In the next chain, I also make 1 double crochet. Loop in the next chain. I introduce the needle. I look for the bow thread. I shoot all the handles, forming 1/2 double crochet. Now for the next 2 currents. Let's work 1 slip stitch for each one of them. At the next point, I will make 1 single crochet only. After making the single crochet, wire loop. At the next point, make a 1/2 double crochet. As before, loop at this next point. I will work 2 double crochet. So we'll do a double crochet boost here. Now I will keep making 10 chains. After making the 10 chains, tie the thread, inserting the needle into the third chain. And I make 1 double crochet here. At the next point, I also do 1 double crochet. In the next point, work 1/2 double crochet. After making the 1/2 double crochet, let's keep working. 5 slip stitch. 1 point for each current. In the next point, let's do 1 increase in double crochet. We're 2 double crochet at the same point as the base. At the next point, I will make 1/2 double crochet. In the next point, I will make a single crochet. Now I will repeat what I did here at the beginning. So I make 7 chains. After making the 7 chains, inserting the needle into the 3rd chain, making a double crochet. In the next current, I also work a double crochet. In the following stream, I make a half double crochet and then 2 slip stitch. 1 point for each point. At the next point, we will work a single crochet and we will continue making 3 points. Made the first, second, and the 3rd point, 1 point for each point on the base. This way, to continue, let's make 10 chains. Loop introducing the needle. Here in the 3rd stream, I make a double crochet, 1 double crochet. In the next point, then 1 half double crochet in the next stream. And we will continue making 1 slip stitch. For each base current will be 5 points. Now let's do 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. And we will start. It's the same sequence with 7 chains. 2 points, 1 half double crochet and 2 slip stitch. I keep doing 2 single crochet. And now I will repeat this sequence here with 10 chains. Now I make a single crochet and I repeat the sequence with 7 chains. What we did here. I make 4 single crochet, 1 point for each point. After making the 4 single crochet, I repeat the sequence with 7 chains. Now let's do a single crochet at the next point. Then a half double crochet. Following an increase of double crochet here at the next point. And then work 1 sequence of 10 chains. After doing this, here at the next point, I do 1 increased double crochet, 2 points at the same point on the base, then 1 half double crochet at the next point, 1 at the next point. And here we will continue making 6 points in the total. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochet. Now I do the sequence starting with 7 chains. Then I do 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. I repeat the sequence with 10 chains. I now make 4 single crochet, 1 point for each point. Now I make the sequence with 10 chains. Again, work 5 single crochet, 1 point for each point. At the next point, work 1 half double crochet. At the next point, I do an increase of 2 double crochet. Works the sequence with 7 currents. In the next point, I work a 1 increase of double crochet. At the next point, 1/2 double crochet. At the next point, I make a single crochet, and then the sequence with 10 chains. I make 2 single crochet, 1 point for each base point. And then 1 sequence starting with 7 currents. After that, I make 3 single crochet, 1 point for each base point. Start 1 sequence with 10 chains. After that, I finish my piece by making 3 single crochet, 1 point for each point. After finishing the round, let's do the finishing with the tapestry needle. This is the result of our crochet piece today. That cup holder you can also use, with a heart for Witch's Day or Halloween. With the color red, but you can use other colors as well. I hope you enjoyed this super cool piece. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like and see you next time.